Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I pack my lunch often and I got tired of scouring my kitchen to find the perfect size container to accommodate my various foods. Well, I found this awesome 3-in-1 bento box from Iteryn. This has 3 separate compartments for various foods. One of the compartments even has a divider to separate food, which I appreciate because sometimes I don't want certain foods touching. I like that it comes with its own fork and spoon. They snap in the top with this little clear cover, but I often will forget to bring utensils with me, and now with this included, that never happens. This is BPA-free and microwave safe, so if I need to warm up my food, I can do it in this container. And it's dishwasher safe, so super easy cleanup. So this little bento box has really simplified everything for me because all the containers I need are right here along with my utensils. And that's my point of view.